Hey everybody, how are you? I actually have a couple of hauls. There's garage sale hauls, Harbor Freight, Tuesday morning, and Michael's. I think that's it. Alright, so this is garage selling from Saturday or Sunday. And all the Winnie the Pooh ones I had gotten for $3. How cute are these? Look at that. Look at those. Aren't they adorable? Each one is just cuter than the next. I guess they were like teachers' stamps. I haven't tried them yet. Well, I don't know what this one says because Texas got that one. I'll punch that dog in the nose. And then that one. So this set was $3. I'm going to tell you a little story. Real quick story. So we were out garage selling, and I didn't want to go garage selling. I just wasn't in the mood. So I said to John, I'm not going to get out of the car this time. So he's like, all right. So all of a sudden I hear whistling. And I look over and he's like, you need to get out of the car. And I'm like, why? He goes, you're going to want to see this. The girl was getting rid of all her Stamping Up stamps. So I got them both for $5 each. So total 10. But this is my favorite. Look at this stamp set. Look at this stamp set. Isn't this so stinking cute? And then, let's see if I can read this. A girl should be two things, classy and fabulous. Coco Chanel. Isn't that neat? I'm loving this stamp set. I was like, oh my god. Oh, it's called Classy and Fabulous. It says, like you. And then this one says, women are meant to be loved, not to be understood. This is by Oscar Wilde. Isn't that neat? And look at the poodle. How stinking cute. So this was, I love this. As soon as I saw this. She was selling others, but I was like, I don't need any more than this. And then this was just a cute Christmas one. And when I do Christmas tags, I always like to have different to and froms. But this had happy birthday. Look at how cute. Even the butterfly. Thinking of you. Thank you. And obviously this one's not stamping up. This says Westwater Enterprises. But I think that was cute. That was in here too. So that was from my garage sale find. And we actually found a couple other things, but not craft related, so no biggie. Alright, so this is from the other day. Then I'm going to do Harbor Freight. I needed new ones of these, and they were only $3.99. I move almost all my furniture by myself because I don't want to bother anybody, or I don't want to hear everybody say, why are you doing that? So I do it by myself. And these are a godsend. So this big box was $3.99. Then the other thing I got at Harbor Freight was this. Look at this. I'm thinking for my punches. That's what I'm thinking. But I think I want to spray paint it. So I probably put it together tonight and spray paint it tomorrow. And then I'll put a picture up in a different video. Yep. So I got that. Oh, and then, you know, and I got 20% off of that. So I think that was $17.99, 20% off. And then, you know, Harbor Freight always gives you free things. So I got a free tool set. So what the heck, a free tool set. All right, then let's move on to, oh, I ran into Five Below, and I had to grab 2 wireless mices. And then I picked this up at Five Below for $5. It's an indoor digital antenna, so that a TV can get regular channels. I just wanted to see if it would work. I don't know. I just felt like trying it. And the girl said, I asked them, I said, do you think it works? She's like, I don't know. She goes, but if it doesn't, just bring it back next time you come. I go, oh, good idea. So I'll do that. I'll try it. If it works, I don't know. Might be nice to have a TV in the backyard or in the I don't know. Okay, moving on. Michael's. I grabbed this, and I have an idea in mind for this. I think this might be the next video. Isn't that cute? These were all 50% off. And I wanted mini doilies for embellishments. I really want an 1.5 inch size, but I haven't found them yet. I think scrapbook.com has them. Look at these. They're already cut out for me. And they're stickers. So I grabbed those. And then I had to grab Mickey heads. I think these are wood. Yeah, I think these are like a balsam wood. How cute. So I grabbed those. And then, has anyone done this yet? The diamond dots. I think I'm going to try this. I don't know, I wanted something mindless. And my girlfriend was over this weekend, we were talking about it. And I'm like, I saw it today, and I used the Joann's coupon, which was 50% off. So this was regularly $18, I got it for $9. Oh, girls, did you all know this? Did you know that if you're 55 or older and you tell them you want the senior discount, you get 10% off even sale items? Had no idea. I'm not 55 yet, but John is. So we got an extra 10% off our stuff. All right, so now moving on to Tuesday morning. I guess it's the best for last. Oh, I guess I'll be ripping this bag. All right, so I did have fun at Tuesday morning. They did have some nice stuff. I grabbed this because it says beautiful. And I want to do a couple of cards with the stamp set Beautiful You from Stampin' Up. And I really thought that this navy color would be great. So I purchased that with that in mind. Then I wanted, this was $1.49. It's just a little butterfly. I wanted that for embellishments. Then this was $1.99, and it has just some wooden dies. So I grabbed that. These I'm going to be using in wands. I want to use these for patriotic wands for 4th of July. So I thought these were really cute. They're really done nice. $1.99. Then I grabbed these. I thought they were really cute. Oh, I did grab one of these. Stampendous. And it's the little mouse. Sorry, John's blowing off my front porch. And then I'm thinking, how cute will these be on embellishments? My goal is to make a bundle of embellishments. I have embellishments on the brain. 99 cents. I thought these were adorable. Then, oh, actually, you know what? I think I got ripped off. There's only 2 stamp sets in here, and it said there were 6. But, you know what? It was, I think, 50% off, and it was $3.99. So $2 for 2 stamps. I paid $1 each. All right. Oh, I didn't know I grabbed this. This was also, this is a foil kit. I like foiling, so I'll play with that. Then I thought these were cute. Look at those. And they're dimensional. So I wanted those. Yay! And I'm thinking, aren't these adorable? These look like the old picture frame mats. I'm thinking photo album. I'm thinking I have to create a mini album with that. All right. Then I got this this paper set. I love anything woodsy, camping, outdoorsy. So I grabbed that. That was $5.99. And last time I was at Tuesday morning, I did see this. And I didn't buy it. And then I saw someone else hold it. And I was like, you know what? I want to try it. So I'll probably do a video of this probably tomorrow. I want to try that. Alright, then all of these, I grabbed some Tim Holtz glitter. It's just my favorite color, so I grabbed that. And then it had Stain, Distress, and this is the Wild Honey look. They were only 99 cents. So I'll add that to my collection. And this is an antique bronze for 99 cents. And then they had a purple Stickles, which I didn't have a purple like that. And then this one is old paper. And they were both 99 cents. And last but not least, I got two more. And the pink and it's almost like a blue. So this is my quick haul. Alright everybody, I hope you have a great day. And I will see you all tomorrow. Alright. Hey, don't forget, tomorrow night, 8 o'clock, I will be doing that giveaway for the cards. Alright, I'll see you tomorrow during the day and probably tomorrow night. Bye everybody.